Okay. Yes, thanks so much. So my name is Corinna Reibchen. I'm CEO and founder of Crypto Clues. So we are doing Web3 education, have an own app, and I'm former banker and auditor and anti-financial crime specialist, and now changed completely into Web3 and crypto world because I'm invested since years in this space. And today I'm talking about making money in Web3 because a lot of people focusing on art, on more things, but not on making money. So how can I make money in Web3, and also what are maybe profitable business ideas? So how can I make money with my business, what I have? So, and we have only 15 minutes, so it will be a short snapshot, but afterwards I'm happy to answer your questions. So when we're seeing the Web3 market, so it's $1 billion market. So, and also from the creator world, so we will have in the next 5 years more than 1 billion more creators coming up in the next 5 years. But only 1% of the companies are already invested in Web3. And 5% only, or 6% of the Germans are invested in crypto. So there's a lot of more to do. So we have to convince more people to come into the space. And yes, and maybe you also invested in the space and thinking about, okay, how can I now make money with it? So maybe it's a hobby, maybe you have a full-time job and doing this on the side, or only investing. And this is something where I say, okay, this is my job then, also to educate, how you can transfer your hobby into a maybe full-time job, or also how you can get into the new asset class crypto when you are maybe only investing in bonds or in shares. So there's so much more what you can do with crypto, with NFTs, DeFi. And here I put six examples, and we don't have time to go through each of them, but so that we say, okay, you can do, for example, we have active income sources. So we have learned today also a lot of NFTs, so that you drop an own collection. You can have your Web3 agency when you are already a creator. And of course, the whole crypto trading and NFT trading, it's a whole new sector. And then of course, a lot of are invested in crypto, but then they don't do it in staking, or so that you earn passive money with your invested crypto. So this is something I think not all are considering this. And also liquidity mining. So there are a lot of potential opportunities in Web3, in crypto, so we get also passive income. And I'm only showing the profitable ones because there are also a lot of things that are not profitable. For example, when we go to this trend, trading bots or so, so I haven't seen any profitable trading bot really, so I'm better in own making money and own investing than any kind of KI or artificial intelligence here. Oops. Yes, and when this NFT drop, we heard a lot of community, because community is really key in Web3, and also for your community drop, as when you're issuing NFTs by yourself, and that's from the process very easy. But then you need to find the guys buying your NFTs, and for this, of course, a strong brand is needed. But then when you are going this way to issue new NFTs, so then you have 3 times earning. So first, you have the one-time earnings when you have the NFT drop. Then you will have on the second way the recurring revenue, because with every transactions, every time when the NFT, one NFT of your collection is sold, then you get up to 10% on fees for yourself. And of course, now we are in a bear market, and the Ethereum price is very down, so you can also earn a lot of money when the Ethereum price go up to 3,000 or 4,000. So then your collection is 3 times more in value than now. And of course, the value of your collection. So when you now a startup and gets bigger and bigger, then maybe also your collection gets more worth. Yeah, oops. Here we are. And there I put an example in how it can really looks in real life. So when you are issuing a collection of 2,000 NFTs with a utility, of course you need a utility. So maybe it's when you are a coach, it's access to you, or when you're an artist, so that you get maybe in real life art from you or whatever, so or tickets for a conference from you. So there are a lot of possibilities what you can make here. So and when you say, okay, my price is 0.2 Ethereum, and then you say, okay, 2,000 pieces, then you can make at the price from 1,300 euros right now as Ethereum, you can make €500,000 when you get this to the people. And then the recurring revenue. This is where we have 10% creator fees. So for example, on OpenSea, for every sold NFTs, you get up to 10%. So it means in current market with maybe you sell 30 NFTs per day, you get up to 780 daily passive income. And then when the Ethereum price is increasing, so then of course you will have much more on a daily basis. So there's a lot of potential, but of course the basics are that you get this sold to the people. Yeah, that's there's a lot of more to talk about, but we don't have enough time. So this I'm happy to answer the question afterwards. And now also from trading wise, a lot of people only think that day trading is relevant, but there are so many other things on the trading side where you can make money with. So it's also short-term tradings, like swing tradings, where you have maybe only some days or weeks the trades open. You can do midterm trading, long-term trading, and arbitrage trading. Arbitrage trading, there you buy on a crypto exchange where, for example, the Bitcoin price is lower than on other exchanges, and then sell the cryptocurrencies on the exchange where the price is higher. Costs a lot of time. Yeah. And the same for NFT. Of course, you can there go for play to earn, move to earn, but also there it depends on profitability of the project. So then when you are, especially in the IT sector, scalable business solutions. I'm from a startup area, so of course we are looking for scalable projects, and there you can build platforms, you can build decentralized apps, you can build your own NFT platforms. So there are so many possibilities what you can build here, your own metaverse. So yeah, there are so many possibilities, really. You only need to see, okay, what are my customers? Is there a market for it? So the same when you build an offline business. And what many people are doing or not doing at the moment, so of course we have a lot of experts in this area, but they are not monetizing them. So when you build, for example, or when you help companies to go into Web3, from Web2 to Web3, the majority of the people don't take money from them. So, and this is where it comes. For example, of course you can build your own Web3 agency. Web3 agency, it's currently really high profitable because there are not so many on the market. And when you are in the Web3 space, you're an early investor, you're early in this time, and a lot of companies, especially also in Germany, only 1% of the companies are already invested in Web3. So that means you have time, you have the space. When you have the expertise in this market, you can do consulting at very high profitable rates. You can do outsourcing. You can, for example, manage the discourse, what we already learned. You can do services for them. You can host meetings in the metaverse. So everything you can transform to Web3 and do is also for outsourcing. And of course, to make it scalable, you can do IT for them. So that's of course the highest margin because no people are involved. Here also is all the departments for companies. So it's really the whole value chain on a company, what you can outsource or where you can do consulting services. And of course, when you are in the HR and recruiting services, there, high demand on specialists, IT specialists and metaverse and everything needed in the market. So when you are a recruiter, headhunter, also good times for you. So I can only say, okay, bring and guide your clients really into the Web3. So that's a huge space. And now you are early. When you start 3 years, 3 years later, then it's too late. Oh. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. So I don't know, maybe this QR code will not work. Let's see. Otherwise, I'm also here for some more minutes, hours to answer your questions. So thank you very much.